Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through completing the necessary school forms for advisors the quickest and the easiest way possible using the VASP or the VCube Automated School Forms. So this is an Excel VBA tool. So this tutorial assumes you're a first-time user, so please be patient as I detail each step. So first, download the VASP using the link in the pinned comment. So since macros from the internet are blocked by default in Office, so you need to unblock the file. So to do this, so right-click on the downloaded file, so choose Properties, and then check the unblock box under the General tab. So when you open the file and are prompted for a username and password, just enter admin in lowercase for both the username and the password. So this will open the VASP, which should look like the screen shown. So to simplify the interface or to make it looks like neat and clean, so click the Hide Excel Interface button right down below. So the VASP is designed for grade 11 and grade 12 advisors. So let's start with grade 11 first. Alright, so first thing that you're going to do is to clear any existing data in the database. So by clicking the Clear Database button and entering the password 1234. Next, click the encoding button to fill in the necessary information in the encoding part. So preparing to encode students' profile. So there are two methods for accomplishing this. So number one is using the data entry form on the home button page. On the home page, or manual encoding via the database button. So this process is case sensitive, so follow the instructions carefully. Start with the surname column and avoid filling in the number column. So once you're done, click the Sort Database button. So ensure that you are using a newer version of Excel for full functionality. So in the old versions, because there are some functions not available in the old version. So click the back button and proceed to fill in the subjects for grade 11. While default subjects are provided, so you can change them as needed. Follow the must do instructions and click the back button to return to the grade 11 encoding. Assuming that you have the grades for the first semester, so you're going to click now the first term grades button in order to input them or use the search and filter function by typing at least 4 letters of the student's surname in order to input the grades. So after inputting the grades, click the back button and go to the core values section. So complete this part and then afterwards move to the attendance section. For the SF2 monthly attendance report, you can use the automated school forms feature available in this VASP or your own. So if using the built-in SF2 here, follow the must do instructions and export attendance data for male and female students each month. If not, or if you're not using the built-in SF2 here, so input attendance via the attendance button on the home page. After completing all these steps, you're now ready to print the necessary forms for grade 11 advisors. So congratulations! For grade 12 advisors, click the grade 12 dashboard button on the home page. Follow the same encoding process in the database as with grade 11. But if your grade 12 students now were previously in the grade 11, so just pull their data from the grade 11 database. So don't forget to remove any transferred out students and sort the remaining names alphabetically. I think the navigation buttons are familiar, so just follow the same procedures for grade 12. For any questions, join the developers group chat for technical support. Thank you for watching and I look forward to your feedback.